Alright, welcome back to another devlog of Reincarcerated. This is not an announcement of a new version, I'm pretty sure, if that's obvious by the title, because I'm probably not saying there's a version. Okay, anyways, so basically I just want to show off some of the stuff I've been doing for the past month. I think the last one was made on this date here. Yeah, that would make sense. So pretty much a month apart. So that's fine. So I've been focusing on NPC behavior and AI and combat detection, stuff like that. So I mean, I'll just get into here. Just load this up. Yeah, just some cool stuff I just wanted to show off for this video. For this probably won't be very long, but I felt like I have a substantial amount of information, enough for it to be useful to have a video about it. So yeah, so the prison's gonna load whatever. Right, so I have this red box. I'm going to, well, I can't really just disable the look of them, but anyways, so first off, I've added all of these things, all the job objects. They are not functional. I'm clicking on this, doesn't give me items, but that's the point. I mean, they're not for me right now. I'll explain this red box later. The reason these don't have tooltips is because there's not an inmate assigned to them. Anyways, basically, like I've said, this update has been, or my work so far since the last update has been geared towards NPC stuff, and so I'm just going to go through that. We have spills here, so for jobs, there's supposed to be weeds showing up. Well, there's not supposed to be weeds showing up because there's no inmate waypoint on the grass, so it makes sense that there's no weeds, but they would just show up the same way as excuse me, spills. So yeah, chop chop. And we got, I think I might have showed this off, but we have food now. I think I showed that off. Pretty sure that was, no, I don't actually think this was in the thing. Actually, I'm not sure. Anyways, so I have food now. As you might have noticed, the guard here, he doesn't have an inmate. Oh, that's funny. Sometimes it does that. For some reason, it does a double space when it's not supposed to. But I can talk to the guard. I'm clicking on him, and it's pretty cool. They don't have like talking, like, you know, normally, like they can't just do it on their own. I have to click on them. They just haven't implemented that yet. That's pretty easy to do. As you might notice, the text box is a little bit transparent, which I thought was a cool touch. And so yeah, I can also attack them. So yeah, and so he follows me now. I can get far away enough from him, and then far enough away from him, then he goes and does his own thing. I gained heat from that because he saw me punching. That's what the red box is. The red box is what I call a bad object. Basically how that works is the guard, here it is. So the guard has these raycasts here, where it is that's what they can see. I don't know why. Actually, I think I removed that, but they should not be able to see through the wall. So if I'm here, yeah, see, they don't see it. Yeah, but if I'm in front of him, yeah, so he sees it. Let me put my outfit back on and turn off the gizmos because this is kind of laggy. So yeah, so they can see like things you're doing bad. So like for example, taking off my outfit, that produces a bad object on top of me, which is set up for losing an outfit, and then when I put it back on, it's off. If I'm not at a period by a certain amount of time, which is 25 seconds, then the guard will also see that and get mad. There's a lot of things. There's also, if I start chipping or something, then it'll see that. Pretty sure this is instant 99. Yeah, so instantly 99, so he starts attacking me. So yeah, well, I'm still on 99, so he's going to keep attacking me. He doesn't have baton, thankfully, so I'm not gonna like immediately die. Oh yeah, I can die now. So if I do like intentionally want to die by him, I can. Losing my health. He doesn't have much strength for some reason. I think this is because this is a minimum security prison. I'm not sure, but I don't know what that was about. What is this? Yeah, it was supposed to take away the contraband in my inventory. I haven't actually, there's no sprite renderer attached to the slot 1 game object. Is that not how it works? GUI panel, slot 1. Oh, it's image. I'm dumb. Easy fix. Just a wrong thing. Yeah, image, not sprite renderer. There we go. Okay, that should work now in the future. Yeah, it doesn't think it has the item data, but the image is still there. That's funny. But yeah, so he didn't get too badly hurt. But yeah, his heat. I guess I'm back at 90. Well, whenever I die, my stats don't get reset. I need to add that. But yeah, if I have 90 or above heat, he'll just see me and attack me, which is how it is in the normal game. So the system used here with the raycast and stuff, this is to make it better than the original game. Basically, in the original game, it used this system where, okay, I'm not at 90 heat anymore because, yeah. In the original game, it had this system where the guard would have an attached object to it that was kind of like I'm gonna try to find it here. It's pretty interesting, actually. I think it was this. So this right here is how the guard sees things. And so yeah, if you were inside of this thing and doing a bad thing, then the guard would see you. Now, it wouldn't go through walls, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. But I'm pretty sure that's what these are. I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure this is, because I don't think Click Team Fusion has raycasts. But anyways. Yeah, so that is kind of how it works. Just raycasts, and they don't go through walls. They currently do still go through objects, and if I attack him, he goes through objects, because I just haven't updated objects to be whatever. But yeah, as you can see, if I go far enough away from him, he just goes on his way. Clean up on all four. But yeah, so that's kind of most of it. I do want to show off. Let's see if we can do this. I want to show off having a lot of inmates in one prison, because that's just the one guard that I've been using for testing. But I used to have more to test out, like exercise and all that stuff. So we'll add, well, where is it? It's Reincarcerated, assets, streaming assets, prisons, and it's main prisons. Go to ZMap. Let's make this a zip. Go into here. Put this out here. I'll replace it. Here it is. So this is the data file for the map. I think I've shown this off before. That's funny. There shouldn't have to be that there. Whatever. I guess that's fine. test prison, whatever. Should be version 1 or 0.1.0. I haven't added that yet. This isn't right. Guards, inmates, 20. Oh, I'm in the wrong prison. Hold on. That is not the prison that I was just in. I was in AI test point. Actually, you know what I can do? We can load up San Pancho. You can just load up San Pancho, and it should work. Should work fine. So let's just actually try that. I haven't actually loaded up San Pancho since I added it as a little testing map. Actually, I don't think I added it as a testing map. I think I just did it as like a little example. Here's San Pancho. It has all the inmates. So yeah, let's actually check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, that's right. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how it reacts to opening an actual prison now with all of these new things. Ah, that's cool. A lot of errors. That's a little weird, a little strange indeed. Let's just not worry about it. Well, we have these. This is kind of cool. It's just San Pancho. Just kind of cool. Is there an object here? Why can't I go through this? Oh, I know why. Because I forgot to. Oh, hey there, Terrell. Do you guys just like not spawn in or something? Where are you guys? Should all be here. There's a singular inmate. There must have been something wrong. Oh yeah, set up NPCs. What went wrong here? What went wrong here? NPC data component, NPC collection data. I should have an inventory. Does that not work? What? What I'm looking at here is this line, which they should have. Apparently on the second inmate this failed. So they either don't have NPC data, or this isn't a thing, or something. Even though I was able to go through that, and it was on an inmate, so that should be right though. Like it, this is not a guard. Forgot to make it so that inmates don't also get mad at you. I just want to get through the day, okay? We'll catch up later. That's funny. I don't need friends. Is this the right tile set? No, this is Center Perks. Why are we in Center Perks? Oh no, it's because it was the. This was the C map version of it, so it makes sense why it's like this. There's a table. But anyways, so yeah, holding a desk also gets me in trouble. It seems like it's loading those good. It's got all the job stuff, which is cool. Super cool. Yeah, like I said, I haven't loaded this in. It has all this, which is cool. That's like, I mean, this is all like new stuff that I haven't seen. This is super cool. Now, I don't know why this is wrong. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. That's normal. Tooltips. What's wrong with tooltips here? Character amount, text length. Get width. What was it trying to do? It's probably just trying to get something that doesn't exist. That's fine. So it's just this. I don't know what's wrong with that. Also don't know what that is. Oh, that's probably a weed. It's just not doing that right. Okay. So something went wrong somewhere. But at least we can work out. So that's cool. Oh, right, I forgot. Skipping is just pressing Q. Oh, hold on. Does it just stop? Wait, hold on. I'm not gonna do anything. Oh, why is it not doing that? I don't know. What? Exercising. What is this outfit? Is there not enough? What? Okay, something weird is happening. I don't know what is happening. Some random errors. Doesn't matter though. It's fine. It's fine. This is cool. I can just like play around. And San Pancho. Just cutting. Like cutting. Yeah. Cutting's cool. Cutting fences. What? Okay. Was not making a thing there. Okay. Someone's talking. Someone likes talking. My toilet's broke again. Hey, he's doing his job. Okay, so this is an example of him doing his job. Technically, it's working fine because he's like there. So that's fine. It's working fine. It doesn't look like he's moving, but that's how it's supposed to be. Technically. And then we're just on the roof. Oh yeah, and then we drop down. I still need to fix player floor collision. But no, so yeah, pretty much everything's here. Not really, because I mean it was... Why did I hit quit? This doesn't work. Yeah, I just wanted to show off some of that stuff. There's more there that I haven't shown off. Hold on, let me... Okay, I actually do want to show you guys this. Because this is something that's interesting. Don't know why San Pancho was freaking out, but should not have been like that. It's like 10 guards, 10 inmates, sure. And then throw this back in here. All right. But yeah, so yeah, I've been working pretty hard on this update so far. It's been pretty fun, just doing some new things with NPCs and whatnot. Yeah, test maps are there all here now. Let's see here. Yeah, I need to fix the weed controller stuff. I don't know why that's not... Yeah, see, it's working fine now. The NPCs are not here. What is wrong? What is wrong with this? NPC.get component, NPC collection data, NPC data, inventory. Yeah, it's able to get to one. Maybe it's because it's an inmate. Something's wrong with inmates. Where's NPC collection data? What's their NPC data? So they don't have this. They just don't have an inventory for some reason. Let me go back. I haven't had an inmate. I haven't tested inmates. I've only tested guards. So this makes sense. I mean, I understand. Wait. Oh, I did a try catch thing in that. That's why this isn't working. Yeah, I haven't set up NPC inventories yet, but I forgot to use it. Oh my, I'm retarded. Okay, so hold on. Let's do this. You guys don't see what I'm doing, but I'm just putting that line into a try catch. Because that's how it's supposed to be. Stupid. Okay. Let's try San Pancho again. I want to try that again because I want to see like it with a lot of inmates. Also, inmates spawn on inmate waypoints, not in their beds. Inmate beds are not made yet, so, but they will be. It's a pretty simple thing to do. Test map, inmates, guards. Let's see here. Oh no, wrong. I wanted to do San Pancho. Bro, well, we can just see this real quick. Get to where you should be. Oh, they're all moving and talking, and the inmates also get mad at me. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I'm getting these errors because there's too many NPCs to fit all of the waypoints that I've set. That's funny, but they just keep doing their thing. Oh, those are the guards. The inmates are stuck. I can't talk to the inmates. Value cannot be null. What is this? File contains header. Oh, what? Must have typed that wrong. Probably. Hold on. Inmate. Inmate. Talk is that. This should be working. Yeah, for the rest of it is working. And I'm at 99, so I've got like a bunch of guards following me. Oh, and the inmates. The inmates also want to attack me. I haven't made it so that it's only the, let's have all of them onto me. Oh my goodness, this is funny. if I even go near this, I'm dead. At least sort your hair out. Oh, now they're all talking like they're in the canteen. That's funny. They shouldn't be talking. I should fix that. It's funny. It looks like they're all, yeah, because I mean this makes sense. Will y'all keep it down? What is happening? And if I just go near them, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm just absolutely demolished. That's hilarious. Oh no, I got back up to 9. This is yeah. As you can see, I haven't tested having inmates and everything in here. And someone will have their food. Oh, dude, the oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm just constantly dying. You see, I'm like teleporting between beds. It's just so laggy. Oh my goodness, what are the stats right now? Yeah. That's funny. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't reset the heat after dying. And also don't make yourself able to even be hit when you're dead. Which is what's happening. This is funny. This is just funny. Alright, well I think you guys have seen enough. Oh, bye guys. You guys just don't care anymore? Oh, my heat went down, finally. Oh, and they're all doing their jobs. Oh, it's so cool. It's just so cool. They're all doing the jobs. They're just doing whatever they want to do. This guy's stuck. Well, he doesn't have a job. He doesn't... It's because I have way too many inmates. Civils, what is this? I don't care. Yeah, I think work... Or no, this is a normal thing. Yeah, so they're just doing their job. And it's cool. And, they're all talking, which is funny. But yeah, so this is just super cool. I haven't seen this in a bit. Man, it's like they're more alive now with all the talking and everything. This is so cool. But yeah, so I think this is the first time I've shown this stuff on my YouTube channel. So yeah, just doing a lot of inmate stuff. Still iron out the bugs, as you can see. Yeah, for the most part, it's there. You know, this is the last big thing that I have to do. I was talking about this in the Discord server. Basically, from here on out is just really small stuff, like they're still talking when I'm paused. Like it's just really small stuff like adding cameras or adding bed dummies, and so stuff like that that are single issue implementations. By that I mean, like, I don't have to make a huge chunk of the game just to implement one thing. I'd do that back when I was first, you know, well, pretty much for the whole time this project has existed. I've had to do that for certain implementations. I have to build a lot of the game just to get one implementation, and the reason for that is because a lot of the game wasn't done yet, and that just makes sense. So, for example, when I was making item usability and everything with that, I had to add animations, tooltips. I had to fix mouse collision. I had to make a main menu, NPC data, a whole lot of stuff. I mean, that was a crazy update, looking back on it. And layers and everything, too. Oh, my goodness. that really pushed the project forward. But I don't have to do that anymore because the game is like pretty much all here. I just have to like add the little stuff now, which is super cool. Like, I'm, it's at the point of the game, or at the point of the project where it's really all just like coming together, and it's just very nice. Like, it's just really cool. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video about this stuff. And I think the next version of the game is just gonna be the full release. I I'm not 100% sure, but I think it might be. I'm not sure though. It probably will. It will. Um, but yeah. So just wanted to show you guys some inmate things. Inmate AI, combat works. They do their jobs. They go to eat. I can die. They can also die. I haven't shown it off, but they can also die, and they respawn back. Or they don't respawn, but they just get back up after like 11 seconds. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. And I'll see you guys later.